Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the green light on your Helio Ring sensors won't turn off. So if your ring sensors keep measuring something even if you are not wearing this ring, then first of all try simply clearing or wiping the sensors using the piece of a microfiber cloth, or if you don't have any, then use a simple towel just to clean the sensors from the inside and see if this resolves the issue. And if it doesn't, let's try to reset the settings of this ring. To do so, first you're gonna have to unpair the ring from the smartphone by opening the Zepp application on your smartphone. Go into the Device tab, then navigate to the bottom of this menu, select Unpair, confirm once again. Then remove your ring from the charging dock, remove the cable from the charging dock, then plug it back in, then put the wait for about 5 seconds, and then seat the ring back onto the charging dock. Then you're gonna have to locate the reset pinhole on your charging dock right here next to your cable. Grab a pin-like tool and insert it into the reset hole. Press the button inside it and then wait for about 10 seconds. Your light indicator will turn red, then dark, then it will turn white, and then you can remove the pin. After a couple of seconds, your charging dock will start pulsating blue, and once it starts, pair your device with your smartphone once again, and at this point the problem should be resolved. Tap pair. And that's basically it. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.